I'm badly interested to be a medical lab. And then I have also experience in a back home. Then I try to consult with different colleges. And then these colleges have to give me a different options. And then in terms of time, in terms of money, in terms of careers. That's why I choose Anderson College in medical lab. I learned many things in the class. Above all, I learned the safety. The safety part is very interesting for me. And then the ECG as well, and then drawing blood as well, and then blood smear as well. But above all, I give a special attention for the safety. Yes, it's really easy because if I have a problem, immediately I consult them. So they give me the right answer on it. The faculty helps me if I have a problem for the book, if I'm not understanding something, and then I explain them via email. So they try to help out me, the faculties.